In a landmark event that sent ripples through the business world, Javier Milei, the president of Argentina, met with tech billionaire Elon Musk at a Tesla plant in Texas. This was not just a meeting of powerful figures, but a convergence of shared beliefs and goals. Both Milei and Musk, known for their passion for free markets, came together with a shared vision of eliminating bureaucratic obstacles to business. Their camaraderie was palpable, bonding over the importance of defending liberty. This meeting, a fusion of political power and technological prowess, aimed to boost investor confidence in Argentina amidst economic reforms and protests. The meeting was not just about pleasantries and shared philosophies, it was a platform for forging alliances. Musk's keen interest in Argentina's lithium deposits, a crucial component for rechargeable batteries, could be a game-changer for both Tesla and Argentina's economy. This potential investment signifies a bridge between technological innovation and economic reform, but the alliance didn't stop there. But before we deep more, subscribe this channel if you want to make our empire from scratch. Milei extended a hand of partnership to Musk in a legal battle in Brazil, hinting at a deeper bond between these two figures. The meeting was a testament to the power of mutual interests and potential alliances in the global business landscape. The ramifications of this meeting extend beyond Texas, reaching all the way to the heart of Argentina. Indeed, the ripple effects of this rendezvous are set to resonate far and wide, as Elon Musk has agreed to participate in an upcoming event in Argentina. The goal? To promote the concept of freedom, a principle both Milei and Musk value deeply. This event is not just a gathering but a beacon of hope for Argentina. It's a testament to the power of open markets and the potential of free enterprise. It's about eliminating bureaucratic obstacles and fostering an environment where innovation can thrive. The participation of Musk, a figurehead of technological advancement and entrepreneurial spirit, could significantly boost investor confidence in Argentina. This could lead to an influx of international investments, further bolstering Argentina's economic outlook, and possibly opening new avenues for international relations. This is more than just a meeting of minds, it's a fusion of visions. Visions that could shape the future of Argentina and perhaps even the world. As the world watches, the meeting between Javier Milei and Elon Musk promises to be a turning point in the narrative of Argentina's economic and political journey.